In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn off and adjust notifications from Alibaba app on your mobile phone and also through your emails. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. To do that, just move to your My Alibaba here. Good. And now we tap on the setting button here if you're on the app. Yeah. And then you move to notifications. Good. And you can see this here, push, email, and app messages, in-app messages. Good. So push is the ones that appear on your phone's notifications, something like that. So you just open that, allow, just turn it off. Disable all. For push notifications, we just disable all of them. Or we can keep important ones. So we've, disabled others, messenger and all that. Let's disable that. It's up to you. Add notification toolbar. You see the one on top here. You can remove that by just unchecking this box. You see it disappears here. So that's it on how you manage your notifications for mobile. So now let's move to emails. And the same thing, promotions, surveys, just turn them off. Read and just turn them off. Simple as that. You can unsubscribe if you don't want to get any email from them at all. You can just unsubscribe. Yeah. So that's it on how you adjust your notifications on Alibaba for email and then on mobile phone. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.